Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday morning. Say good morning, beep beep. Okay. Johnson. Hi, Tina. Let's study. Yes, let's study. How's everyone's weekend? Hey, Alvaro. Morning. Have a nice week. You too. Hey, Sebi. Hey, Madeline. Hey, Farhan. Hey, Adam. Ibrahim. Hey, how's it going? How are you? Tina, I hope you feel better. Has everyone come out from their respective dips? I'm still enjoying my salsa triple dip. We'll see. We'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm still in the dip, but that's okay, In the learning process, being in a state of a dip is completely normal. In fact, it's expected. Hey, Sham. Hey there, guys. How's it going? Thanks so much for joining. Hey, Kiddu. Farhan, don't think I'll be coming out of that dip anytime soon. That's okay. I mean, for anyone that doesn't know what we're talking about like a graph with the x-axis is time and the y-axis as enthusiasm, if you will, or passion, if you will. And it's talking about how whenever you learn something new, where you're trying to master something, there's like a dip because you get really excited in the beginning, because it's like completely brand new, right? And you have a lot of enthusiasm. Oh, sorry, I actually lied. This is not time. Wait, is it time? I think it is. Yeah, no, sorry, it is time. There's enthusiasm time, and then there's like a dip in enthusiasm because you realize that your skill is not very good and you don't actually know that much stuff, so your enthusiasm goes down. And then eventually, as you learn more and more, you realize that you start getting better at something, and then your enthusiasm essentially goes up again as time goes on. So the dip refers to that time period when right after you started, so like the newness of it starts wearing off and you realize that there's actually a lot of work that needs to be done before you become good at a skill, and that's referred to as the dip. And I think a lot of us are in a dip right now, but how do you get out of the dip? You just got to keep going, you just keep pushing through, learning the things that you need to learn, and at some point the enthusiasm is going to start coming up again. Just got to believe in that. Hype hype Naveen. Morning beep beep. Want to say good morning, beep beep? Yeah, strutting your stuff. Andre, notification crew. Hey, Valentina. Hey, Tina, how are you? I'm good. I'm doing good. I was gonna go and cut my hair, but I ended up getting too lazy and I just didn't. Black suits you really well. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Black's my favorite color. My favorite outfits are all like all black. Perks. How long have you been working from home? Ooh, about a year now? Almost a year. Pretty crazy, huh? Hey, Mike. Ready for tomato thing, Lewis? Well, let's do 2 more minutes of chat and then we at 7:37 my time we can do the tomato thing. Hey T, good morning. Omega Fire. Hey, Luca. Luca B. Hey everyone, first morning study for me. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining. Um Andre, morning everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I need a vacation for mine. Andre, did you take your daughter to her birthday party? Is that what you're referring to? Wait, is the timer off for you guys? What time is it right now? My thing still says 7:35, but my time has also been known to stop before. Okay, no, it is correct. It is correct. Good. Hey Ash, hey Christian. Tan zero graph. What does the tan zero graph look like? I actually don't know. I should know this. I'm pretty sure it's tan zero is zero, right? I mean, just double checks. I don't remember. Tan zero is zero. Okay. Oh, we're talking about like the graph I was referring to? Don't think that's a tan zero graph. Chanthily, I'm not talking about any sort of trade. I'm just studying how to trade. Champ, sign up for data camp. Great resource. Awesome. Glad that you like it. Andre, Boop is a girl. Yes, that is true. Yeah, Gabrielle. Beep Beep is a boy who's over here. Boop is a girl who looks very similar to Beep Beep, except she's gray. Can you program on Java? Yes, I do know how to program in Java. Lloyd. Yes. Hello, sir. Sir Meet Beep, you want to say hi to Lloyd? He's trying to bite me. Can you guys hear him purr? It's so loud. So loud. Crow, glad that you aren't just being emo, Tina. You know, there was a time I definitely had an emo phase. I think that wasn't the best. But the black did stay. Alright, shall we get started? Let us get started. Oh, Dawson, looks like you well rested. You don't look tired. Why, thank you. Thank you so much. Hopefully nobody else in the stream then goes like, you look so tired, Tina. I think it's become like a running joke at this point. Someone always tells me that I look too tired. But thank you so much. I do feel quite well rested, actually. Oh, hey, Luke. Good morning. So slow this morning, just eating breakfast. Still need coffee. Get on that coffee. I have my tea over there. All right, let's get started. Okay, cool. First Pomodoro finished. How's everyone doing? Sebi, hype hype. Drink water, folks. True. Let me drink water. By the way, I have a new old obsession. Have you guys had Pirate's Booty before? I got it at Costco, and I used to be really into this, maybe like a year ago or 2 years ago, but I got another box, and this is like my new obsession, go-to snack again. Sham, what am I learning today? Well, same as usual. I'm still learning how to trade. Specifically focusing more on Forex right now. I feel like I'm trying to understand from more perspectives because I think previously I was thinking about things that are too short term and I wasn't really understanding things from a bigger picture. So I'm trying to adjust that, my mindset. So that's what I'm still learning today. Thanks, Naveen. Thanks for giving warning. Let's see. Ecstasy, learning hyperparameter tuning. Very fun and very cool. Hyperparameter tuning. Bharat, hi Tina, what's up and what's the topic today? Today's topic is still trading. Naveen, should you do computer vision course on free code camp? You know, honestly, I couldn't tell you. Haven't looked at it personally myself. So, but you guys, you already know kind of the way that I evaluate courses already. So I think that structure can kind of just be applied to that course as well. Like, does it cover most of the topics that you're interested in? Does it like, is there projects that are involved, and do you like the instructor? Like, those are kind of the criteria that I go by. Although I have to say, Free Code Camp has been pretty nice for some of their other courses, so I would have high hopes for that one. Vladimir, any upcoming SQL series? You know, I probably will do SQL Sundays, but more sporadically. Also just because I'm kind of, yeah, I feel like the SQL Sundays, I'm having trouble finding questions, or like readjusting questions that are rather different from the questions that I've done previously. Because after a while, all the questions start becoming very similar to each other. So I think I will do more SQL stuff, but it won't be like every single week. So if I see like a good question or something like that, then I'll do it. Sumit was practicing writing for IELTS. That's the English. It's like TOEFL, right? It's like another version of TOEFL. Cool. I'm assuming you're planning to come to North America. Valentina, really tired of pushing through. There you go. There you go. Push through the dip, my friend. We got this. We got this. You know, I think what helps a lot is realizing it's like acknowledging where you are is actually super important. Like, if you know that you're at the dip or you're tired, for some reason, like in my brain, that makes it better because then I'm like, okay, if I just keep doing this, then at some point I'm gonna emerge from this state of mind. Does that make sense? It's like if I was just tired where I was in a dip and I didn't acknowledge it, it would feel like it would go on forever, So Valentina, hang on there. I'm with you. Everybody's is with you as well. Anurag, have you used advanced database concepts like triggers, use, concurrency control? Yes, I have. Because I have a CS degree and took a couple database courses, so I have been exposed to that. At my day-to-day job, though, I don't generally use it very much. Yeah, that's more of like data engineering where I work. but I do know how to do that. Juan Dorado, hello! Thanks so much for joining. How's everybody doing now? I think we're doing good. Happy vibes, said Sebi. Alex, career path question. Is it a good idea to study BA Management Information Systems and then get a computer science major? You know, it's hard for me to say depending on what your background is, but if I read that right now, I would just be kind of, my question would be, why would you just not get a computer science major directly? Yeah, maybe I'm missing some context there. How do you tune seals? Seals tune you. They are perfect, they don't need to be tuned. The amount of seal pics in the Discord. Xiam, hey Tina, how are you going to watch Apple's WWDC 21 at 10:30 IST? I guess I am not because I don't know what that is. So I think that answers the question. I better look it up right now. Oh, annual developer conference. Yeah, I'm afraid not. Very out of touch there. But maybe you can update me. I do own a few Apple shares. Maybe I actually should show up just to see what happens. Thanks for letting me know though. Literally didn't know that was a thing. Hey, Melody! Cool, you're back. Ready for Pomodoro number 2. Awesome. Where's Max from Alaska? Yeah, where is he? He might be traveling, right? Waiting for Max to come back from Alaska. May Beep Beep give you power, Naveen. Yes, may Beep Beep give you power, although Beep Beep is currently napping because I think he ran out of fuel. JavaScript jams along with Ibrahim. Luca, I'm so happy to hear that. Push me to start the Google Data Analyst certificate. Hang on there. You know, keep updating us through here as well. There's a bunch of people who are going through it as well. We will be your accountability partners. Sumit, planning for a United Kingdom though. Makes sense. True. English-speaking countries. Sabi, turn a dip into triple salsa dip. Fair enough. Salsa triple dip. I've never had that before, but it sounds quite good. It does not sound very healthy, but it sounds quite good. Vladimir, thanks. I really enjoy your SQL series. I'm really glad to hear that. Yeah, for sure. I'm always on the lookout for questions, questions that I can adapt myself into a SQL Sunday. So yeah, look out for those. I will be doing them. I just feel like I already pretty much covered a lot of the basic SQL concepts that they would ask you in interviews specifically. It's already been covered for other SQL Sundays. Also, the guy who I'm working, for StrataScratch, like that's the platform that I use for SQL Sundays. He lets me know every time he updates new questions as well. So whenever he does, I always go take a look and see if there's any questions that are slightly different or different enough from the questions I've already done. So he's always adding new questions. That's always good. Valentina, I actually have my own beep beep, a black cat called Enzel, which translates to fish hook. That's so cute, fish hook. Oh my god, Valentina, black cat. I love black cats. I'm very biased. That's so cute. It's called fish hook. Is it because it has a tail that kind of looks like a fish hook? You know the thing with cattails, like for some reason, I think like when Beep Beep and Boop get happy, I don't know if this is normal. Like their tails they look like candy canes. You know, they go like this. It's like that. I don't know if that's like I looked it up at some point. It was like if your cats are happy, they like twist and curl their tails. Do I watch Black Clover? No, I do not. Is it good? You guys are saying that it is good, right? Maybe I'll check it out. Is that on Netflix? I'm currently still watching Fullmetal Alchemist. It's so long. Black Clover. Oh, is it a TV show? Oh my god, it's a manga series. Oh great, my favorite. Okay, I will look this up. It's on Crunchyroll, right? Thank you for the recommendation. My anime watch list. Open up a restaurant considering the size of my tip. You and me both, Valentina. You and me both. Contemplate Sundays. Steamed plantains with salsa dips would be a hit. Only for you, Sabi. I call it the question mark. Ah, the candy cane tail, the question mark tail. You know the guys who made the anime? They're great people. Looking forward to watching it. Oh my god, that's so cool. You actually know these people? For Black Clover, right? Young boy seemingly born without any magic. Okay, I am very down to watch this. After I watch Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood, I will watch Black Clover. Oh, we are out of time. Thanks, Sebi. You are my savior in trolling the trolls. Alright, let's get started. Second Pomodoro. Timer off, timer on. Let's go. All right, we're done with second Pomodoro. What'd you guys all do? Drink water. Hey, Ken, you actually made it. Oh my god. Everybody, you need to welcome Ken. Oh my god. Thank you, Ken. I didn't even notice that. I did not notice at all. Distracting Tina was playing. Well, thank you, Ken. Thank you for supporting the channel. Oh my god. Wait, how are you even awake? What time is it? Oh no, you traveled. That's why. You are, yeah, okay. Makes sense. Well, thank you for joining. That is like 5 Dogecoins, possibly 6. She's gonna make stonks out of those $2, I swear. You know what? I will make stonks out of those $2. Although these days it's more Forex. Thank you, Ken, for potentially funding my next monies, my next trade. I'm waiting for a big smile when she notices the super chat. Well, there you go. I am quite predictable, aren't I? Kenji, you're on screen, so how do you feel? Moment of truth. Ken, you're actually studying with me in the next Pomodoro. Alas. Pomodoro is finished though, I'm afraid. Although you can rewind and then do the second Pomodoro with me again. Yeah, my 2 Pomodoros are already over. You're a tad late. Can you make it next time? Can you make it tomorrow, Ken? On Tuesday? 7:30 CST. What are you studying, Ken? Are you doing the leaderboard? Seeing as we have a meeting later today. Shyam, I think there's a delay in your stream, like 5 seconds. Yeah, there is a delay in my stream. Yep. That's like a YouTube thing. I think I actually don't know what my delay is. I think it's around 5 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah. Good eye. Oh wow. Hello to the man, the myth, the legend, at Kenji. No need for GoFundMe. Yeah. Maybe I'll take the $2, make some money out of it, and then buy a camera or buy the cord to the camera so that I can use Streamlabs. That's the plan. Everybody root for me to make some money. We're meeting tomorrow. You mean today, right? Ken, are we meeting tomorrow? I thought we were meeting today. Is today not Monday? I'm pretty sure today's Monday. Okay, maybe something happened. I'll check the Discord. Maybe I'm confused. EOXE. Have you heard of Ocean Protocol? It's a place where you buy and sell data with ocean tokens. Maybe you should do a video on it since you're into data science stuff. I have not heard of Ocean Protocol, but I will take a look at it. Thank you. I have never heard of that before. Luke, where can do the next Pomodoro tomorrow? True. True. Pomodoro on Tuesday. Alok, I joined here today for the first time. Felt good to study along you all. I'm really glad to hear that. So happy to hear that. Yeah, let's keep trudging along. Is that the word? Chugging along? Trudging along? Something like that. Melody, you're actually watching Kenji Data Science Project Series on my Pomodoro. Ooh, Ken. There you go. Um, Kenji, your thumbnail game is on point. Do you use Canva/Adobe Suite? Read the Discord. Okay. Okay, I'll go read the Discord. Okay, apparently we moved to Tuesday. Yeah, for context, everyone, I usually meet with Ken and Forrest Knight on Mondays about the leaderboard project that we're doing, but apparently we've moved it to tomorrow. All right, sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. You guys use Discord to chat. Why not Slack? I actually don't know why we're not using Slack. I guess it's because everything's already on Discord, really. That's probably what I could do. We just like end up using Discord because everybody is already on Discord. Sebi, are you gonna dance? Yeah, I think Sebi, you should dance in honor of Ken. You should do a little dance or a haiku. I don't know. The guy's making me dance on stream. Are you dancing on stream right now though on Discord? I think that's the secret that if you hang out here for long enough, you'll start to notice that there's a lot of stuff that's going on off screen as well in the Discord. So if you haven't already, you should check it out. Sebi has a lot of surprises for everyone. I'm just gonna leave it at that as a as a little Easter egg, I suppose. Come on, City Tour for the vibes. Yeah, 66 Days of Data is on Discord and I run my podcast on it, so I made everyone else bend to my will. That's probably true, yeah. It was because of 66 Days of Data that I was like, alright, I guess that's on Discord, so for my community of Tina's friends, it's also used Discord. So there you go. Everybody bending to your will, Ken. Sorry, who is Kenji at the risk of sounding too ignorant? Oh man, Ken, look at that, look at that. Someone who knows me but doesn't know you. I'm kidding, Wine Dorado. He's Kenji is data science YouTuber superstar. He was I think he's like number 2 biggest in data science community. I think number 1 right now is Krishnaik, right? But yeah, Ken's a big data science superstar. Also a very good friend of mine. I think the first ever video I made, the first person I sent to was Ken. And I was surprised that he actually responded to me. But that's how we all got to know each other. I already part of 66 Days of Data. Ken, you made it. I'm definitely not a superstar. You're just being modest. Ken is also very modest. Ken's a superstar. What else is Ken? Well, if I were to summarize Ken in a few words, actually, I did summarize Ken's channel in a few words when I was doing my comments analysis, my sentiment analysis. I think the words were data science, papayas. Is that about it, Ken? What else represents you except for data science and papayas? Sports analytics, 66 Days of Data. I think that's a good summary of you, Ken. What do you think? Do you think that's a pretty decent summary of who you are? Ken is a superstar. Yes, he is. Oh, look. Today's your 49th day of 66 Days of Data. Yo, that's awesome. I shall join it. You gotta do it after stream. Hey, there you go. More. Yes, everyone. If you haven't checked out 66 Days of Data, you should definitely check it out. It is, you do 66 Days of Data and you build a habit of data. And you can come hang out at the stream as well. You know, 66 Days of Data was also my inspiration for starting doing these live streams because I was part of it and I had zero motivation and then I quit after like 3 days. Sorry, Ken. After 3 days. So that's why I started the live streams because that was what was holding me socially accountable. Because unfortunately, I have too thick of a skin such that just because there's that update that exists, I was like, oh, it's fine. So then I had to do something that's more aggressive. So that's how this live stream was born. Fudgy forgot to introduce myself in your server. Number 1 YouTuber is Tina. Oh my god, Andre. Oh, I'm so flattered. You're making me blush. I'm so flattered. Juan Dorado, you just Google him. I'm a baby level Python learner still learning the players and lingo. Yes. If you Google Ken, he will show up. Ken Ken is Papaya superstar and data science. I made you tell me what my strengths are like a month ago, Tina. That's true. Um yeah, your strengths are community building, connecting people, and eating papayas. Yes. Those are Ken's strengths. And data science. Oh wow, Sebi, Ken knows you. Wow, this is very flattering. Melody, have you watching Ken since last year? Crushing it. Crushing it, ecstasy. Omar, Ken, and Tina, are you guys planning on getting more YouTubers into collab? Anastasia, the quantum physicist, and Kylie Ying, the data scientist, might be worth contacting. You know, we're still in like beta phase. I'll have Ken will, I'm sure Ken will respond as well. But yeah, I mean, we've been doing stuff for that for a while now, and it's more of like a side project. But once we actually get a prototype out, thanks mostly to Forrest, who's actually on the development side of things. I think our plan is to get a lot of other data scientists to join. In the leaderboards, like an engagement leaderboard for YouTubers. So that is the plan. And Ken, seeing as his strength is community building, he knows lots and lots of different YouTubers. So I'm sure we'll be reaching out to all of them very soon. How to improve on Python. I have a video on that. You should check it out. 66 days is the average time it takes to establish a new habit. There you go. There you go. Stop it, guys. Stop it. Don't. Kidu, Sebi, Farhan. Let's make a good impression. No, I'm kidding. I'm completely kidding. Say whatever you guys want. You can't be weirder than I am. Ken and I have been friends for what, like over a year now, and whatever weird shit that I've said, Ken has probably heard it already. So no shame at this point. Forrest is literally doing everything for the leaderboard right now. Yep, that's literally what's happening. It's like all Forrest because he's doing the actual development, and we're just hanging out here. Hopefully, I think we should actually start doing the ETL process at some point. But seriously though, all like pretty much all Forrest right now. You know, Forrest Knight. You guys should check out that video as well. He just released a video, I think about a few days ago, maybe almost a week ago, about the state of the leaderboard. But he's been doing an awesome job actually like coding it up and doing it, while Ken and I have been riding on his coattails for a while. So it's time for us to get our shit together as well. Omar, yeah, Forrest Knight, check him out. Forrest, I will type his name for you. Yes, Forrest Knight, awesome YouTuber. Yeah, Ken, go ahead. Go ahead. I don't know if you can actually link the playlist because you're not a mod, but I can link the playlist if I can find it. Where is the playlist? I don't even know where it is. Wait, I'm gonna try to find the playlist. Or can you like on Discord, can you link me to playlist again? It's kind of hard for me to concentrate on finding it right now. If you link it to me, I'll put the playlist on the chat. Yeah, I don't think you can because we've got some strange people these days on the chat. Arjan, you're gonna watch Charles Darwin's Evolution Theory because YouTube recommended it to me. I think that's a very good thing to watch. It is a very influential theory indeed. See you. Hopefully I can see you tomorrow. Oh look, there you go. Oh, Kidu linked Kenji's server. Yeah, Ken. You know what? I literally didn't think of that. You can shamelessly link it. I'll just add you as a mod. Totally forgot I can do that. Here, there you go, Ken. You're a mod. I have bestowed the power of a mod to you, Ken. You have great responsibility now. But now you can link stuff. I don't even know why. I did not think of that. Oh, there it is. You also sent it to me on Discord. But yeah, check out this link, everyone. This is for the leaderboard stuff. Thank you. You guys are much better than me at finding things. Thank you. But yeah, check it out. Max, hey Max, you're here. Good evening. Are you in Alaska now, Max? How is it? Did you send pictures? I want to see of seals. Do they have seals in Alaska? Or penguins? Or something like that? How was your trip? Tina's casual Monday chaos. True. Beep beep squad. Everyone, I have been corrupted. Mod Ken, everyone, I have been corrupted by the power. Yes, that's true. He has too much power now. Bears. The mods reek of corruption. I'm gonna have to start uncorrupting people very soon. Where is Beep Beep anyway? I don't even know where he is actually. Where is he? I think he's hiding. Beep Beep is very hidden. He's very good at getting into places. I actually have no idea where Beep Beep is. Maybe he left. Maybe he went to go start his own family. Goodbye, Beep Beep. HD. I'm Nuhala. I'm from Morocco. Hey, Moroccans. Ibrahim. If you're still around. Greetings from fellow Moroccan. Half our mods though. True. 12 hours of flight. Oh my god, that's crazy. You came from New York, right? 12 hours of flight. That's insane. I'm actually surprised that you even have. I guess it's a domestic flight. It actually still is a domestic flight, except it's 12 hours long. Oh man. Well, when you're all settled in, send photos of seals and penguins and everything else in Alaska. I want to see. I think we all are very curious to see what they have in Alaska. Apparently in the convenience stores, everything is extremely expensive. I wouldn't be surprised. Mods have taken over the chat. We're the fellow commoners. Yeah, there's 74 of you guys here. I think mods, we have like what, 10? 15 max? I think like around 10. So plenty of people. Hey, Ashima. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? How's your drawing coming along, Ashima? What are you drawing these days? What are you painting? Tina's gonna steal our cookies. I'm gonna actually go eat more of these later. I'm actually pretty down for a cookie, but I don't have any. I guess I am gonna steal your cookies instead. Alaska finding bears for salmon. Commoners unite. Madeline! I'm a mayor commoner. Melody as well. Hey. Nothing wrong with that. With modding comes having to actually moderate the stream. And you have to look at it in case there's strange people that shows up. BB will soon declare independence from Tina. That's true. It is time for BB to move out of the house. And, you know, maybe I'll pack him like a little bit of food in like a little pouch and hang it on his neck. And maybe some water and maybe like a tag saying like, my name is Beep Beep, please feed me. And it's time for him to start his own family. Goodbye, Beep Beep. Boop as well. Goodbye, Boop. It was nice knowing you guys for... They're almost 2 actually. It's almost time for Beep Beep and Boop's birthday. I should do like a celebratory stream for them on their birthday. They're born in July. Forgot which date. I'm a terrible owner. I don't remember when they were born. I just know that they're born in July. Yeah, beginning of July. I have to go check the documentation. Asif, do you elect or select mods? Well, it's more like if I see you around for a while. I know there's people who don't comment, so that's fine as well. If you've joined for a few streams and you just let me know you want to be a mod, then you become a mod. That's it. Don't have some intense selection process. Erin, hey! Akash, hello, friend. Jayesh, hello! It's fairly undemocratic. Yeah, Kidu summarizes pretty well. It is fairly undemocratic. Yeah, it's more just like I've seen you around where you tell me you've been around for a while and you know what's happening and you don't mind modding when people say weird stuff and following the rules, then you become a mod. I think there's some camels in Alaska. Are there really camels in Alaska? I can't tell if you're kidding. I feel like you must be kidding. I don't know how camels would survive in Alaska. They seem like rather desert animals, don't they? That's Huma. Sebi recommend me to draw a jaguar. What do you recommend? I recommend. I'm gonna be super selfish here. I recommend that you draw Beep Beep. Can you draw Beep Beep as Huma? But then Boop will feel lonely, and so will Bubble. Can you draw all of them? No, I'm kidding. I recommend that you draw Beep Beep. If you, no pressure at all as Huma, but if you do draw Beep Beep, I will feature it in my videos and everywhere else. I don't even know where, but yes, I will be very, very happy if you drew Beep Beep. A lock. Need to go and have dinner. Goodbye. Thanks so much for joining. Hope you can join again tomorrow. We're the best authoritarian regime you've ever had. I like to think of us as what is the word for what is that? What is I don't think we're authoritarian. I think we're very crap. I literally forgot what it's called. I guess okay, fine. I guess we can go with belligerent authoritarianism. I have no idea. There's like a specific thing that's in my head right now. It's like a tip of my tongue. I just can't remember what it's called. Yeah. You guys, I feel like that's really difficult for you to guess what I'm thinking right now. But yes, I suppose we are not very democratic though. That is true. Andre, are Beep Beep and Boop brother and sister or husband and wife? Beep Beep and Boop are brother and sister. They're twins. They are from the same litter. Tina wrote docs for her cat. By docs I mean like adoption papers. You mean more like a programmer. I think data scientists are notorious for having really shitty documentation for everything. Like we just write crappy code and hope that it works. Very bad. Although we should stop doing that. We should become better engineers as well as data scientists. As Huma, I was thinking of making a portrait of yours, but more like a symbolic art. You'll make a portrait of me? Oh my god, I would be so flattered. Oh my god, that would literally make me so happy. Symbolic, anything like that. Oh my god, I will definitely feature it as a post and probably as part of my YouTube videos as well, if you did that. That would make me so happy. Use acrylics, oils, charcoal, and pencil as well. Diverse artist. Majority of my work is in acrylic and charcoal. Ooh, acrylic and charcoal. I'm a very bad artist. My sister does art, and I know that she has talked to me about all these things before. But me personally, I have no idea what any of that means. I do know acrylic is paints, and charcoal is black. That's pretty much all I know, unfortunately. But I would be so down to see a portrait. It would make me so happy. Light Pearl. I just finished studying for 5 hours. Oh my god, yo. Congrats. That is something to celebrate. You should definitely feel relaxed and proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. Yeah, I'll be really interested, as Huma, to see your work as well. I would love to see some pics. Please suggest some good SQL practices, except HackerRank and SQL Zoo. I think best for learning is honestly, what is it called? Mode SQL. That's how I learned. I think it's the best free resource out there. Practice size for interview questions, I have to plug StrataScratch. Disclaimer, I'm an affiliate for them, and that's where I do all my SQL Sundays from. Like that's where most of the questions for SQL Sundays came from as well. I think that's specifically, it's kind of like leak code, but for data science and for SQL and Python. Quite good as well. I need to send you a photo of Beep Beep. Okay, Asuma, can you message me on Discord? I will send you photos of beep beep. I have lots of photos of beep beep. Ah, beep beep painting. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Oh my god, that's you a beep beep painting. Ecstasy. I can't draw more complex drawings in a stick mat. Can you draw a stick cat? Ecstasy, if you draw a stick cat, I would also be so happy. Can you draw beep beep as a stick cat? How to Adopt Pets in a Tech World by Tina Huang. Yeah, you just see cats or just animals in general, and then you go like, oh, why don't you come home with me? And then you end up having a lot of pets. That's what happened to me, at least. You should put the adoption papers on GitHub. True. True, and I should create like class. Okay, test everyone. Pop quiz. If you were to create a game of beep beep and boop doing game activities, what classes should we have in terms of object-oriented programming? Should we have like a beep beep class, or should we have a boop class, or should we have a cat class so that you can extend into beep beep and boop as instances of the cat class? I don't even know what this game is for. For the life, if you made a game of the life of beep beep and boop and study, I guess. If you were to make this entire, I have like 4 minutes left, but let's play a game. I don't even know if this is a game. This is fun. But okay, if these study streams were, if you were to make that into, if you were to code it into some sort of game, I guess, an activity, what classes would you have? I'm just gonna leave that there. Beep boop class, beep beep class with earphone method. Okay, could you? I think that's reasonable. So it's like cat class, and then we can make instances of beep beep and boop, and one of the methods within the cat class is earphones. Okay, reasonable. Benevolent dictator. Is that what I am now? A benevolent dictator? I was mentioning your Discord now. Beep beep and your painting is done. It will take time because it has to be perfect. Oh my god, thank you so much, Azhuma. I'm already so excited. Please take however much time you want. Yes, message me. I will send you photos of beep beep. Thank you. Okay, so should we have like a study? Okay, what about the study stream? So what if the objective is to learn stuff? So what kind of other abstract classes should we have? Should have like a day class probably, right? Where like maybe a Pomodoro class, like a Pomodoro class of 50 minutes and 10 minutes. What else would we have? Achievement class. Some sort of achievement class. A goal class probably. Something like that. Of course, we also have people classes, right? A people class, and instances would be, we can have like other subclasses with like, there's Tina, there's like the streamer person, and then there's also mods. There's also other people on the stream as well in the chat. I see that we suddenly lost like 20 people on the stream because people are not interested in classes. That's okay. Cat class which extends animal interface. There you go. That's true because there's also a dog. That is very good thinking there. And the cat class wears the earphone as a method. Melody, you can only draw lines. That's fine. I can only draw lines too. Maybe you can draw a beep beep line. Should earphone be its own class? That's a good question, Ken. Do you think earphones should be its own class? Like, does it pop up enough such that it should be its own class? It's a good question. If you're doing pure object-oriented programming, earphones should be its own class, right? Because it is an object. That is true. Destroy camera for beep beep and stay away from camera for boop. For boop. Earphone has only one function though, getting eaten. True, that's fair enough. Although if we stick by strict object-oriented programming, earphone maybe should be a class. Or should just be like accessories class, right? Then it can be earphones and it could be camera and all these different things. And the only method within that class is get eaten. We can do that. Yeah, Sebi can have a special method called steam plantains. That's true. Kidu, I hate object-oriented programming. Farewell, Kidu. Are you leaving the stream as well? Class get good. Yeah, I can do that. Maybe you're a painter, AI engineer, or both in another universe, according to the multiverse theory. You never know. That's some deep talk there. That's fine if they left, means more Tina for us. Okay. Oh, I actually gotta run. It's 10 a.m. Gotta go do stuff, and I gotta go to work. Earphones could inherit from accessories. There you go. Alright. Am I South Korean? No, I am not South Korean. Alright. Farewell, everyone. Good night from Tokyo. Be excellent to each other and party on from Wyan Dorado. Agreed. Sammy, stop. Now you're confusing everyone. Kidu, Streamlab as a class has never implemented. Sad. It's a stub. Okay. Farewell, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and hope I can see you guys again tomorrow. And thanks so much for joining, everyone. Safe travels, Ken, and also Max. Farewell. Bye.